honey, I'm home from work.
Hey. Hey, dog man.
I'm assuming you have to go now because you work the night shift?
Definitely, yeah. Yeah, totally.
Okay, bye, babe.
Hey, Mario and Luigi. I'm coming to see you now. Hey, Mario. Hey, Luigi.
Oh, I'm first.
No, I'm first. No, I'm first, Mario. No, I'm first. I'm first. Stop. Stop it, boys. No kissing. Got that? None for both of you.
No!
Ah! No, my turn. You both can have me both. You gotta have a half of a half.
Okay.
No, I don't accept that. I want all.
Brother off the cliff, or else I'm done dating you two.
No, stop it, Luigi. Now, frick you, Mario.
I have chosen one of you. If you stop, then I'll tell you who.
No, never. Oh,
It's Mario.
what? Ow. Super fist of furry.
Luigi, help me.
Stop, Luigi.
Help me. I'm done with this. Honey, I'm home. Oh, hi, honey. I was just reading some Dog Man.
Oh, okay. Well, you want to do what we did before?
Yeah, sure.
What's going on here, Rosalina?
What?
Give me.
No.
This is mine.
No.
Triple threat. Everyone's fighting.
No. Give me my Dog Man back. You. Now, where were we?
Let me get involved.
Find your
Stop it.
girl. It's your fault. You stole my girl.
You stole my girl, you stupid bitch. No, Mario, you stole mine. You stole mine. No, you stole mine. You stole mine.
Hi, boys.
Oh, wait, what? Wait, what? Who are you?
I'm your new girl.
Stop. We don't even know who you are.
I'm just your new girlfriend, like I said.
But we don't even know who you are.
Well, now you do.
Stop. I get her. No, I get her. I get her. No, I get her. What the hell? Why is she levitating? Whoa.
Hey, babe, I'm back. I broke up with that stupid Dog Man. What was his name? Yeah, I was thinking of Dog Man.
Okay, well, we'll make out now. Wait, one for each. Who do you want, Rosalina?
I want Mario.
I'll take Luigi. I'll pay you back.
Something is wrong with men these days. Yeah, you're right.
Don't Now they're gonna kiss?
How about me and you go out?
Okay. Wait, what? What's going on here?
Oh, Mario, you didn't see that.
Dogman, I give up with girls. Do you want to make out? Sure.